Today is the first day of summer vacation! I did nothing because Mommy was home. I played on the computer the whole day. Yeah, I know, what a boring first day. But then I tried on this dress and these leggings and it turned out pretty full. See? Like it? Like it? I'm gonna keep doing this. You like it? You like it? Okay. It's so pretty full, isn't it? I got this dress at Cerritos Mall. Today was so boring. And that we watched the FIFA World Cup opening ceremony and Shakira was there. I learned she's pretty. Her hair is like crazy messy and it's so pretty. And then she could belly dance. Did you know that? She belly dances so good. She has a six-pack too.